obesity isn't to say that it doesn't happen at all, but certainly less so. In the same way that if somebody goes from like America to Mexico, it's the food, they get sick. But if someone goes from Mexico to the US, it's the food.